Hi there! After GTR 2, we have the GTS 2 in the house today and I'm absolutely loving it. Now both are different and similar in many ways, like features and sensor wise they are identical and different in design. We'll probably do a side-by-side comparison of the two. Write down in the comments and let me know. I'll probably consider doing that soon. So I'd made a detailed video of the Amazfit GT R2 and that's very similar in use and features to the GT S2. I highly recommend you see that video. Shall leave the links in the description. Let's start with the physical overview of the GTS2. So the GTS2 has a square dial with an aluminium alloy body and matte black finish. The straps provided are made of silicone and have a buckle design, comfortable and functional. They can be replaced with any third-party bands too. There is a button on the side which is to open the app drawer or to go back to the home page. The side has a nice groove next to the button, which is a smart idea because these buttons usually get entangled in clothes and other stuff. Thoughtful, I'd say. The back has a heart rate sensor, the SpO2 sensor and the charging terminals. The charger provided is magnetic so it clicks and aligns to the watch. On the side is the speaker which helps you to receive phone calls and notifications. Yes, you can receive phone calls and actually talk using the watch, but provided it's connected to the phone. Also, you can only receive phone calls and you can't make calls, but I'll take it. It's better than reaching to your phone for quick short calls. The call quality was really good. I kept the watch about a foot away from my hand while speaking and the other person could hear me clearly and vice versa. The phone also rings and beeps when you receive phone calls and notifications, which if you want, you can turn that to mute. Coming to the display, it has a 1.64-inch rectangular AMOLED display with a resolution of 348 by 442 pixels. The colors are vivid and punchy. The display also gets bright enough to see under direct sunlight. It almost goes edge to edge and you can barely see any bezels on it. It also has always on mode, but that affects battery life a lot, so think before you keep that. The text is clear and sharp enough to read. The UI has also seen a huge improvement from its predecessor. It's smooth and also more responsive. So let's have a quick look at the interface. Swipe from up to access the quick toggles. There are some more here. You have the battery percentage, you have the weather. Swipe here, you'll have the alarms, weather, PAI, heart rate, SpO2 levels. You have music, you have the weather, you have the heart rate, activity goal, PAI. Swipe from down, you can see all your notifications. Press the button, you have PAI, heart rate, SpO2, workout, activities, stress, activity goals, music, weather, alarms, events, widgets. In widgets you have compass, barometer, altimeter, timer, countdown and find mobile. In the settings, watch face settings, network and connections, display and brightness, sound and vibration, user preference and system. So overall the user interface is buttery smooth. You can see that here. It's a great experience. It's really well optimized, I can say. It comes with 12 workout modes including swimming, as now the watch comes with 5 ATM water resistance. We also have built-in GPS to track your runs more accurately. The watch also has 3 GB internal storage to save music locally and listen to it without having to carry your phone with you. You can connect your Bluetooth earphones directly to your watch. By the way, you can also play the songs that are saved on the phone using the watch's speaker. Amazing. It comes with 8 pre-installed watch faces, which you can further also customize to change some widgets. You can also download a lot more from the Zepp app, including a custom watch face of your own picture can be set. So here is the Zepp companion app. You can see the steps, you can monitor your sleep, heart rate, SpO2 levels, your weight, all your basic details you can access from here. If you come to the profiles, you can see the battery percentage of your Amazfit GTS2. You can go inside, it will show you your watch face, it will show you the battery percentage, it will go take you to the store. This is the watch face store, tons and tons of watch faces available here. It's going to be really amazing. You can set notification and reminder alerts, vibration, watch settings, app settings, find watch, discoverable and all these basic details. So the app is really well designed and it's super easy to use. The new GT2 series has voice commands. You can turn on workout, ask it to turn on do not disturb, turn off ringer, open music player, open weather and so many more. They work reliably well, but there are limited options right now. It also comes with Alexa support, but it's not currently available and is expected soon. I can't wait to test that one. It comes with 24 hours heart rate tracking, which will be very helpful for many. Also SpO2 sensor, which I would not take too seriously as it's just for reference and not for medical purpose. Coming to the battery life. It has a 246 milliampere battery and the company claims 7 days of battery life. I would have loved to see more, but considering its thin and compact form factor, it's good enough. So, in my initial impressions, metal premium build, excellent display, smooth UI, phone calling feature, all the workouts you need, it ticks most of the things you're looking for in a smartwatch. However, if I had to nitpick, I would have loved to see third-party app integration, but I guess those days aren't far. You can get the GTS 2 for $12,999. It's available in 3 colors. I'll leave the links for all below in the description. You should definitely check it out. Now I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention it down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.